back, y'all. Today I'm making pork chops with roasted spring vegetables and a delicious anchovy butter. While my oven is preheating to 425 degrees, I'm tossing some baby potatoes with some radishes and some asparagus and a tablespoon of vegetable oil seasoned with salt and pepper. I'm going to spread everything except for the asparagus on a baking sheet and bake for 20 minutes. I've seasoned the pork chops with salt and pepper and I've dredged them in flour. And now while the vegetables are roasting, I'm just going to brown them on both sides and I'm going to save the pan drippings. I've added the pork chops and the asparagus to the baking sheet and they'll go into the oven for an additional 8 to 10 minutes. In the pan drippings, I'm just going to add a little bit of garlic, a tablespoon of butter, and a tablespoon of anchovy paste. I'm going to cook this for a minute or so until the garlic is fragrant. All right, this is looking good, so I'm going to lower my heat just a little bit and add some dry white wine. And I'm going to cook the white wine until it reduces by about half. So at this point, I'm just going to turn the heat off and I'm going to add some lemon juice. Then, one by one, I'm going to add tablespoons of butter and let them melt completely in the wine sauce, and it will help to emulsify the sauce. The pork chops and vegetables are out of the oven. I've drizzled with some anchovy butter and garnished with a little fresh parsley.